I love DJT. I love DJT. This is a ticker which has honestly became one of my favorite tickers because it has made me so much money. It has made me so much money, guys, to the upside, to the sideways, to the downside, all over the place. Not only, and if you've been following my channel for a while now, you know this, right? And you should have been making a lot of money alongside us, right? Because not only did we go ahead and call this stock out when it was sitting at freaking, $16 per share, right? On September 20th, 2024, this is what I had to say. Going to make me tens of thousands. DJT is going to make me tens of thousands of dollars, and this is how you could exactly copy my strategy to make the same amount of money yourself. What price is it sitting at here? $13.80. At $13.80, I came here and I told you guys to buy. So DJT has been a game changer for me, right? But this doesn't take away from the fact that as a good trader, your hypothesis needs to change and evolve as the ticker goes through different phases, right? As catalysts come and go, your strategy needs to also change and mold and evolve alongside the stock. In the case of DJT, today we're going to have a no BS price prediction as to where I see DJT heading in the upcoming weeks. With that said, listen, I live in Canada. I'm from Toronto. I don't care about politics, okay? So let's just clear the air about that, right? Now, it's funny I say that, right? It's funny I say that because there's a super funny video I made a while back. Let's go to oldest, and then let's go to, actually, let's go to popular. Let's see if I can find it. I made this video, DJT, but right, with the MAGA hat, and this is when he won, right? I love this video, man. Right? Because everyone was saying how, oh, Donald Trump's gonna lose, yada yada yada. And my prediction was pretty much Donald Trump's gonna win, and with it, the stock leading up to the presidency, the stock's gonna go crazy, and that's exactly what happened, right? And I had people send me death threats. I had people saying, oh my God, we're gonna find you, blah blah blah. You're a liar, yada yada yada. And this was pretty much a reaction to that. But other than that, I don't really even care about politics. Like, even when I did this, I was just straight up trolling, right? And the stock market for me is a place of making money, right? It's not a place of taking political stance against freaking, this party and that party. So with that said, where do we see DJT heading? Unfortunately, guys, I see DJT heading down to the $29 levels, all the way down to $26. Why do I say that? Okay, why do I say that? I say that because of the place the markets are in right now, right? The markets right now are in an absolute frenzy, man, right? And it's extremely filled with uncertainty, okay? These are times where the markets are just filled with so much uncertainty, and the markets hate uncertainty, right? And right now, it's very hard for me to say, oh, DJT is going to go up or DJT is going to go down, right? Because the markets are so news sensitive, and at any moment news can come out that can shift the markets to the upside or shift the markets to the downside, right? So when it comes to DJT, I think it's all dependent on what Donald Trump says. The stock itself right now, it's relatively mirroring Bitcoin's price action, right? DJT has now actually found a lane, which is something we love to hear, right? It's found its own lane in the crypto sector, which is amazing, right? It's an amazing thing for the company. Now, when it comes to where it's heading from here on out, again, it's dependent on crypto, and crypto is dependent on the news that comes out regarding the tariffs, regarding, border security, regarding economic status and stuff like that, right? Like, if I say, hey guys, DJT is gonna go back to $38 per share, and tomorrow Donald Trump comes out and he says, you know what? 25% isn't big enough. 50% tariff on Canada. All of a sudden, the markets are gonna go, right? They're gonna shake up, and the stock's gonna crash, right? The stock's gonna crash. So for that reason, it's very important for us to remember that, hey, listen, stocks like this right now are moving extremely dependent on the markets. Now, the one thing about the markets that's very good is that the markets always recover. But for me, the top when it comes to DJT, guys, is $40, right? The stock is never getting above $45 per share. It's really not, okay? And I hate to say that. I hate to be that guy to break to $45, right? I hate to be that guy that is, saying, oh my God, this and that and that and this. But I think the real value of the stock is somewhere between $19 to $25. Okay, that's where the real value of the stock is, right? $19 to $25. If you take account for the cash and everything like that, and anything above that is just fluff. It's just fluff, right? Now, as time goes on, fluff fades away, right? Fluff fades away. Now, I do think that a lot of people are also holding DJT out of pride, which I see as a downfall, right? I see it as a downfall because remember, at the end of the day, we're just here to trade and make money, right? So when it comes to DJT, guys, where do I see it heading? I see this ticker unfortunately making another turn down to the $30 levels next week, right? And I see it kind of trading between these levels, right? Between the $32, $31 levels, maybe even heading down lower to the $25 levels if the markets continue turning to the downside, right? But eventually it will crawl back above 30 bucks, which is good news. Now, if you do have an average of something like, let's say 50 bucks or something like that, I suggest closing it if the stock gets back above $35, okay? If the stock gets above $35 again, go ahead and close it, okay? Because that is the short-term resistance. $36 is the short-term resistance. It's not going to break $36 without news. No matter what happens in the markets, even if Donald Trump comes out, no more tariffs. We're good, no more tariffs. The stock's not getting above 36 bucks, okay? Without catalyst, without a news. Remember what I said, all right? Remember what I said. Without news, it's not going to get above 36 bucks. And I think that so many people, especially if you decide to trade DJT. Now listen, if you're someone who is invested in DJT, it's a little bit different. But if you were trading DJT, and this is the part where you need to reflect, self-reflect, and be honest, right? Hey, was I someone who was trading DJT, or did I say, okay, I'm going to invest in DJT? Because if you were investing in DJT, then just buy the dip. But if you were trading DJT, and this is a trade which you're stuck in, I highly suggest selling above 35 bucks, taking that money, and start trading other stuff. Because when you're stuck in a position, you're not just paying with the money that the stock is going up and down. You're also paying with the opportunity cost that you could be spending that money on and making more money from different trades, right? Like in our own Discord, guys, we've been absolutely kicking ass, right? We've been absolutely kicking ass, guys. We day trade every single day. We swing trade. We have option lists. We have shorts. We have, stock small count challenges, option stock small count challenges. So for the stocks one, we're taking a $2,500 account to 25K. And for the options one, we're taking a $5,000 account to 50K. And these are our goals, okay? We have a crypto section for crypto traders, right? We have a beginner alerts for beginner traders and novice questions, trading lessons, trading course, everything like that, right? And we have over 700 members, guys, coming back month after month, following your alerts, making money, learning alongside us, and earning alongside us. There's a reason why, right? It's because people are making money. People don't just come back because I'm so handsome. Maybe they do, who knows? But majority don't, all right? And okay, so I highly suggest checking it out, man. Shout out Million says today was my biggest day ever, 10K plus. Thank you, Sam, for this Discord. My 21-year-old is laughing at me. Maybe check out some of these, right? Check out some of these. They're really funny, and I really appreciate all the feedback which we get on these. But check it out. Also, one more thing. Right now, guys, we offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. And right now, for our early bird Valentine's Day sale, the next 10 members that join, they get access to the Discord for a 50% discount. So there's never been a better time to check out the Discord. Look at what MB says. Second day on this Discord, and here's proof of concept. I don't know what else to tell you guys, okay? What I would do if I was in your situation, I would join for the first 7 days, see if I make money or not. If I make money, I'll stick around. If I don't make money, I'm packing up my bags and I'm leaving and I'm never looking back, okay? Because, we give you one-on-one access, man, lessons, everything. If you're a trader, man, this is trader heaven. I'm not even joking, all right? And that's all. I wish you the best of luck, whether it's in trading or their life. Also, the Super Bowl's on, or the Super Bowl is going to be on. This video is probably going to go out later because I'm going to be going out and, Super Bowling it up, if you know what I mean, right? Comment down below who you guys got winning, okay, and who did you want to win, all right? I know everyone's going to say the winner, which is probably the Eagles, right? But we're going to see. We're going to see what happens. With that said, I wish you guys the best of luck, man, whether it's in trading or their life. I look forward to meeting you guys in Top Trade Academy. Remember, 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Right now, the next 10 members that join, 50% discount. I look forward to meeting you guys in there. With that said, your boy Sam from Top Trade Academy.